When metalworking demands precision, strength, and the right tool for the job, choose METZ Tools. Built for metalworkers, fabricators, restorers, and enthusiasts, METZ Tools brings professional metal forming equipment into workshops across the UK. From shaping smooth compound curves with our English wheels, to shrinking, stretching, bending, rolling, and forming sheet metal into exactly what your project demands. Whether you're restoring a classic, building a race car, fabricating a one-off panel, or creating something completely from scratch, METZ gives you the tools to make it happen. Our range includes English wheels, shrinker stretchers, swager and bead rollers, metal benders, tube benders, hand tools, and complete metalworking workstations. Tools designed for real workshops. Tools made for serious fabrication. Tools that help turn a sheet of metal into something extraordinary. METZ Professional Tools. Shape it, form it, build it. Discover the range today at metztools.com.